Good day, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. This is Mimi Ibe again on our channel. Yeah, I've not posted frequently this week, and that's because the market has been funny. We have to wait for the market to act before we react. So this channel is have been dedicated to help struggling traders, upcoming traders to trade derivative the right way. Many people are just investing, depositing, they are not withdrawing out. So that's why I've come out here now so we can analyze the market together. I'm not perfect. Do you understand? I'm not perfect. We are all striving towards perfection. So this channel is just dedicated so we can analyze the market together and we can enter this trade together. It's more like a signal group, it's more like a trading tutorial, it's just all in one. So if this kind of video is what you want to be looking out for, do us well to like the video, subscribe, turn the bell notification, watch the video to the end because you will get something out of this video. And of course, comment in the description below if you want to have a one-on-one tutorial with me. Comment there, I will book one of these days when we can talk together. So and share to loved ones. So let's dive into this video. I don't want to make it too lengthy. So actually I want you to understand that derivative market, synthetic, is moved by mathematicals. It's not like currency pair where holidays and other stuff affect the market. This is just steady. Do you understand? It moves at a particular ratio. So I want us to do a top-down analysis on this volatility 100 1s and things we have been seeing and why I haven't entered a trade yet. So let's go. And I want you to understand that any strategy you are using, and you have to force your view when you enter a chart, you have to force and trying to make things connect. My dear, just leave it. That will only make you lose more money. A strategy is always have to be simple and straight. Once it's not there, it's not there. Just let it be. Go to the next trade. Definitely you will see. Even though you don't see, let it be. Don't force the market. Trying to force, you have to wait the market to act before you react. If you act before the market, if you react before the market acts, you don't trade what you think, you trade what you see. If you react before the market acts, you all just end up losing your money. So you just have to be patient. Trading is 95% patience and 5% acting. Do you understand? So let's just do a quick video on running analysis. If you check my previous video, I analyzed this market pretty nicely from somewhere about here. If you check back, I analyzed the market somewhere about here. The market was somewhere here. I anticipated the market will come to this point and there will have to be a consolidation. You can check my previous videos. There have to be a consolidation, then we'll know if the market will hit all the way up here or come down. So I got this trade, a live video. It's on my channel. You can check back video. We got a live trade from here all the way up here, and also got another live trade from here down here. I milked the both sides. So if this is something you want to be looking out for, as in learning this the right way, you can click the subscribe button right now. What am I saying? Click the subscribe, what am I saying? Click the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification, and let's dive into the video. So if you will notice, I trade mostly on Fibonacci because this is just moving with mathematical, and Fibonacci makes everything like more easier. So let's go into this trade now. Let's see what we are looking out for in this particular trade, and how I anticipated the market will get to that point and there will be a retracement. So as you can see, I anticipated this market somewhere about here. I know this market when it comes to 38.2, there will be a consolidation, a major, because if you look back in time, something happened here. So here again something happened. So this is the point of resistance. So something must happen at this point. If this market just blew up here without anything, I must wait for a retestment before entering a trade, sorry to say. So actually I anticipated this market here, and once there was a consolidation about 4 days or so, let me make it bold so you can see, about 3 to 4 days. Yeah, as you can see, 1 2 3 4 4 days consolidation at one point. So I know, okay, whenever this market breaks here, we are going to 50 straight, no doubt about it. So once the market broke here, I entered the trade and we make the market all the way up here, and also I make the market down back to this plate to test this zone. So I'm out of the trade right now. So I want us to anticipate what are we looking out for next in this particular trade. Okay, we're anticipating this market to break up. Yeah, this is a consolidation. This is just a consolidation. So this is the measure for how many days now it has been consolidating. So we are looking for a push up to the upside, then we are coming all the way to this zone. Yeah, we are coming all the way to this zone. So how do we get the sniper entry? How do we get the sniper entry? It's very simple. Now we hit all the way to lower time frame. Yeah, so we'll draw our counter trend line. This is it. It's very easy. Yeah, so this is it. As long as this market is here, we'll just keep waiting. So I'm seeing something like a triangle forming somewhere about here. Okay, I'm seeing it's something like triangle forming here, and this also forming here. So as you can see this point now, in few more hours now, there will be a decision candle now that will make us hop into this market, either going long or going short. Before then, I'm seeing a supply zone here. It was resistant at this point, then turned to a supply zone at that point. So if this market you're anticipating this market now to come back here, form a little consolidation, then boom, break this point all the way, then we are heading all the way to 50 to 61.8. You understand? But I'm giving this market 60-40. If this market don't break here and this market go short, I'm not going to enter this trade unless this market come the way to hit our first step. What's our first step? The first trend line, the first touch on our trend line, the first point that made our trend line. That's what I call the first step. Except this market come here down to this point, break this zone and give a retest that, oh, I'm ready to go down. This market have to come break this zone, do all his consolidation, come to this zone, break and retest before I will say, okay, it's going back to 23. But if this market don't, the market, and if this market eventually breaks this zone, we are going all the way. I'm not going to enter this trade yet until this market have to break this market has to come and break this zone. Yeah, this market has to break this zone. I'm seeing something here. So this is it. If this market pushed up from here, this point, breaks this trend line, breaks this zone, test and settle down on top of here, then we are going upstairs. But if this market comes here, break this zone, come down to this our first step, breaks it and retest, we are going downward. So it's just very easy. We don't just make and it must be a 4-hour candle close. You don't go on to 1 hour, because if you go down to 1 hour, there will be a break. There might be a break now below this, and if you come to work 4 hours, you see it's just a week. So that's why I stick to higher time frame. You cannot, I execute my trade on a 1 hour time frame, so you can eventually don't do this. You can do and enter your trade on the 15 minutes or thereabout, but the keynote is to know where the market is heading to. When you get the flow of the river, it will be more easier to enter your trade, because you don't have to stress yourself getting 2 to 3 pips and end the way blowing your account. So it's just very easy. Do you understand? So this is just, let's go to 4 hours. As you can see, pre-drawn very nicely. Let's get the feedback. Fibonacci back. See it, it's on our region. So where is our take profit now? We are anticipating this market 61. You see it, that point. That is if it breaks our second step, or we are coming all the way back. Yeah, we are coming all the way back here. Okay, yeah, this is what I wanted to do. Sorry about that. If this market eventually breaks here, this is where I wanted to call about. Yeah, if this market eventually breaks this zone, we are coming to 61, this point. But if this market eventually come down here, forming 100% retracement from this point, forming 100% retracement from this point all the way up, forming 100% at this zone, coming to do the weak rejection here, we are going all the way to 50. Let's go back to daily. Let me get my arrow. So if this market eventually come here, come to retest this zone, like breaks this zone, retest, we are coming all the way to 23. But if this market eventually breaks this zone, breaks this zone and retest, we are going all the way to 25. We are going all the way to 61.8, sorry to say. So it's just very easy. So this is coming here. So this is just very easy. This is just what I think about this trade. So if you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe, turn on your bell notification, because drop your comments below, because I'll be attending to all comments. So from now, peace out. I might come out live to show you a live trade on this trade before I enter to the trade. So if you are eventually available at that time to get this trade on time, you can hop in and get our money. Let's milk the derivative market together. So that's all for now. Peace out.